Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here, and on this video, share ko sa inyo yung payout structure ng Lazada affiliate program. So, kukumputin natin yung invoice natin for June. Okay? So, on my end, ipoprove natin na tama yung ating na-receive na invoice na nakalagay dito, 44,424, or yung sinend nila recently. Ito kasi yung value na nakuha ko eh. So, kukumputin natin kung paano tayo nag-derive or paano lumabas yung ganitong amount. Okay? So, base dito sa instructions, kailangan daw kumputin nila yung 60-day conversion report. So, kung June yung ating invoice, that will be May orders na na-delivered ng June, and then yung June deliveries. Okay, so ang pinag-uusapan lang dito ay yung delivered na products within June. Yun lang yung sinesend nilang invoice. Valid delivered items on June. So, ito yung total niya. Ito pala, yung nasa invoice ko. So, computin na natin yan. First, kailangan natin kunin yung values ng May conversion. So, May 1st up to May 31st. Okay? Hindi kasi natin siya makukuha ng 2 months. As you can see, grayed out. So, per month lang po. Kung ang start date ng range mo is May lang yung pwede mo ma-extract. Hindi mo pwede makuha yung previous months. Ganun po siya. So, May kunin natin. Ito na po yan. Nakuha ko na siya. May. Ito po. May. Alright. And then, kunin din natin yung June. So, nakuha ko na rin yung June. Na-extract ko na siya. So, ito na yung pinaka-report ng conversion. Conversion report ng May and June. Ito. Dalawang file na yan. So, let's start with extracting yung delivered items ng June from this May conversion report. Paano daw gagawin yun? Sabi dito is gumamit tayo ng formula para ma-extract natin yung delivered month. I have a different way kasi hindi ko nasundan to kung paano gawin to eh. Kaya pakita ko na lang sa inyo yung ginamit ko. Okay, so punta lang tayo dito sa delivered. Nakalagay dyan, di ba? Delivered time. Kaya hindi natin siya ma-extract kasi nga may time na values. So kailangan nating ihiwalay yan. And para mahiwalay natin yan, punta lang tayo dito, insert tayo ng bagong column na blank. Okay? So, lilipat natin yung time dito. So, highlight mo lang yung column ng delivered time. Then, you go to data or data. Tapos, click mo tong text to columns. Okay? Yan. Punta tayo sa fixed width. And then, hit mo lang next. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng line dito between the last day number. Tapos, yung letter T for time. So, yan yung magiging divider niya. So, next mo lang yan. And then, yung value ng date natin will be year, month, and day. So, year, month, YMD. Select mo lang yan. Then, hit finish. So, ayan. Nakaiwalay na. So, palitan natin ito ng delivered month. Okay, we're done. So, now, magpipivot na po tayo. Select lang natin yung ating report. Sabi dito, ang kailangan daw ng ating data is yung delivered month, status, and validity. Tapos yung sum of total payout. Okay, so kukunin natin siya. Pivot muna. Insert, and then pivot table. Hit OK. So, ito na yung pivot table natin. Kailangan daw natin yung delivered month, validity, and yung status. Ayan, dinadrag and drop lang siya. And then, yung ating total payout sa values. So, ito yung main natin na production. Click natin delivered month. Select multiple items. Tanggalin natin yan. June ang kailangan natin. So, click mo lang lahat ng dates ng June. So, ang dami ng deliver ng June. Okay. So, once na-highlight mo na or na-check mo na lahat ng June, hit OK. And then, let's go to the next parameter. Ito, valid dapat. Okay, now let's go to status. Syempre, in delivered lang kailangan natin. Okay, so we have the final amount. Diba? Ganun lang kadali. So, ayan na, 2765. Now, let's go to the June conversion report. So, ito yan, June yan. Balik tayo dito sa ating order. Sa ito, delivered time. Diba? So, again, right click, insert tayo. Ayan. And then, highlight mo ulit yung delivered time. Punta ka ng data. Tapos, text columns ulit. Fixed with, next. And yung time. Ayan, letter T. Next. Date ulit natin is year, month, day. And then, finish. And then, yun na. Okay na ulit yung table natin. Lagyan natin lang meron the delivered month. Okay. So, balik tayo sa pivot natin. And then, insert, pivot table. Okay. And then, delivered month. Validity. And status. And total payout. Okay. So, ito po yung ating June production gross. And then, highlight ulit natin. This time, ang tatanggalin natin is yung na-deliver ng July. Check natin yan. Tatanggalin natin yung July. Sorry. Ito pala. Tatanggalin natin yung July. Kasi June lang po ang ating kailangan na may check. Okay. So, June 30. Nag-start yung deliveries ng June 3. O, yan. So, lahat ng June selected na. Okay na natin yan. And then, validity. Siyempre, valid lang. Okay. And then, yung ating delivered. Ayan. So, now, may total na tayo. 37,616. I-add natin yan dun sa isang value na nakuha natin. Which is 2,000. No. Auto sum lang tayo. There we go. We have 4381. Magkano yung value natin dito? Yan. So, kita nyo naman yung ating value from our conversion report ng May na na-deliver ng June and yung ating June deliveries. Total is 40,381. Yung ating invoice shows 40,424. So, meron lang tayong difference na around 40 pesos. Not bad, but still close enough. Okay, so correct po yung sinasend sa atin ng invoice ni Lazada. So, for July, sana masundan nyo yung guide na to para makompute nyo yung deliveries nyo for July invoice. Okay, so yun lang po yung aking share ngayon na video. Thanks for watching. See you po on the next one. Goodbye now.